Hey guys, it's Cheryl here today, and as I said, I'm back, and this time I'm going to talk about a couple of weird things that sold that you probably wouldn't think that people would want on eBay, but I have come to the realization that people buy anything. So let's see. I'm going to talk about what I didn't expect to sell, and it was one of the earlier things that I sold. I don't know if it's still listed. I'm going to try to find a picture of it. Okay, I'll talk about this one first. And I might have sold two of these. I sold a 1988 NFL champion Redskin Super Bowl Wheaties box. So people buy cereal boxes. I just make sure that when I list it, I put whether it's expired, and I also put not for consumption. So I sold a box of cereal now for $50. And then I sold another one for $35. I sold that one less because it wasn't in the same condition as the other one. Okay, I don't see it here, but I sold a box of cereal, I can't remember. Here's the picture up here, Luciano or something like that. That was one of the first boxes of cereal I sold. I was looking here. I guess after a while, your orders drop off. Let's see. I'm going to put this year. Okay, so it was only showing what I had sold in the last 90 days. Okay, that's why I couldn't see it. Now, I'm new to eBay. I've only been doing this a year. I haven't been into it heavy-handed. Okay, it was Lucio O's cereal. It was Overwatch. I sold that for $20. Some of the stuff I've been selling is I've gotten from my son. Don't tell nobody. I ain't giving him none of the money. I probably already spent it anyway. Okay, so, that's just so you know that cereal is something that people go for. Now, I was looking to see if I had any other. Those were the only cereal boxes that I sold. But I do have, I believe, I may have two more boxes of cereal on my site. I think I have a box of cereal from the movie Frozen. So if anybody likes Frozen, there you go. And I have one. Now, all these boxes that I sold have cereal in it, and they're sealed. Except for one box. I'm selling an empty box that had cereal in it, but it was Funko with my boy Jason Voorhees. Excuse me. Okay, and I also have on my site right now a Star Wars Yoda cereal. You see up there? Limited edition, $15. And people be like, how you going to sell a box of cereal that you can't even eat for $15? Trust me. People want it. They don't want it for the cereal. They want it to add to their Star Wars collection. I'm going to find the Friday the 13th one and show y'all up here, okay? Let's see. I don't think I have any more cereals, but I thought that was the frozen cereal. I'm selling that one for $15 as well. Okay, I've looked through and I don't see any more boxes of cereal. You know, I almost bought a box of cereal the other day at the grocery store. They had the one for Wednesday. I might buy it and hide it and then resell it later. Because if I leave it out, one of these mugs gonna open it and eat it. But you know, to be honest with you, the cereal boxes that I got I'm selling or sold came from my son, one of my sons. Okay. All right. I think as I go through my list, I don't see any more food related items or cereal. But just so if you do sell on eBay, just make sure you put on there not for consumption or not edible, in case some people don't know what consumption means. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to be back in a second with the same clothes on because I hardly ever get to do this because somebody's always here or in the house. Everybody's outside right now. So here's the one for Jason, in case I didn't see it. I'm still selling this for $15 because of the box and because it's my boy Jason. All right. Okay, well, that's what I have listed as far and have sold that I thought was kind of odd as far as cereal go. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you guys in a few minutes. Bye.